Yo, what's up, Tiff? What's good? Yo, what's up, Tiff? Yeah, everything's good. Everything's spot on. Y'all been good? Trading's been good? What's up, Jazz? How many of y'all seen that last video I posted? Yeah, yeah. Hey, make sure y'all liking up the stream, though. Hey, I know that feeling, Chris. I'm telling y'all gotta be on top of the charts. The charts don't wait for nobody. You can mark up all you want. That one time you look away, that's when the market moves. Make sure you're on top of your stuff. Yeah, I got like 4 or 5 videos coming out actually. So it's gonna be a hot week. I'm almost finished up getting my computer done. That's what I've been waiting on. It's just this computer, but it's been difficult trying to find a graphics card. If y'all know, y'all know. Trying to get a 3090 right now, it's almost impossible. Dang, got a scan with a 3070, and that's not even like the latest one. Jeez. Man, what y'all been up to? What you guys been up to? Oh man. If you pay, if you pay, oh my goodness gracious. Mm, yeah, the prices right now are ridiculous. Even for a 3070, like you paying anything more than like 1200 for it? Nah. This was a this week was a pretty good week. We had some nice breaks, some nice breakouts. What's going on? I use KOT.forex, so I don't really use Tradersway anymore. I haven't used them in a long time. Uh, Yeah, same. I was actually I was killing XPX 500 this week. The whole week. So, but since you gave you some analysis, I posted. You didn't see my analysis video on Sunday? I'm posting another one tomorrow too. I'm doing that every week. Gonna do some more lives too. And I got like 4 videos coming out this week. So it's gonna be a hot week. But yeah, but I haven't been using Tradersway for a while now. I just been sticking with KLT. They have everything I need there with the index market, crypto market. So it's just like I just got tired of like jumping back and forth between accounts, like having to sign in to my Tradersway, sign in, and I honestly don't need like all that no more. So I just dropped Tradersway. I like KLT. It's clean. The withdrawals are like the same day. Everything's the same day. Deposits the same day. I get my money in my account the same day. It's clean. It's a clean platform. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really to it. They got a nice 1 to 500 leverage, which is good enough for me. I don't need anything higher than that, honestly. So I'm transitioning to a complete switch. So I still have the Tradersway just because I have the 1 to 1,000 leverage, and anytime I want to do like a tiny like a $5, $10, $50 account flip, then I'll use Tradersway instead of KLT. What's up, Nick? Yeah. He paid MSRP. That ain't good. What's going on? Yeah, but this week was pretty solid. We had a nice rising flag pattern. You guys know that's definitely bears continuation. That we were in the downtrend. So what these are, you guys see the zones on the left. You see the zones all on the left side that I've drawn out. We were just like looking at areas for like for reversals and all those things like that, which I'll explain a little bit later. Just some of the trades that we took. The Olympics was good. I mean, I didn't compete. You guys know I'm shooting for 2024, but my teammates did. We didn't win anything, unfortunately. We did pretty good though. We made it to quarterfinals. It was a close fight, but we couldn't pull through in the end. So just back to work. But it was a good experience though. It was a good experience. We did get some spotlight. We got small sponsors and everything like that. So that was neat. And we're happy about it. It was our first Olympics. It was their first Olympics. So it was we just went there for the experience. We went there, just to see the level. And then after that, the next one is going to be for the medals for sure. Well, I fight. So you guys know I do MMA and Taekwondo. So nothing has changed. So yeah, but that was cool though. Watching the rest of the Olympics was cool. Did anybody watch the Olympics? No, not too much. Nah. No, I'll be the wrong person to ask that. I'm on my fifth year now. I'm on my fifth year now. I'm on my fifth year. What's up, Asia? What's going on? Finally caught the live. You only watch the sprinting? Come on now. You gotta watch all the sports. Where did the name ATG came from? I don't know. That kind of was just built, and then you guys just developed the name however you guys want to. Nothing too well. Now it's significant, but before it wasn't like something like I thought of like. Come on, dude. Yeah, no, I went live. You watching that right now? Dang, I didn't even realize that was today. Yo, what's going on with the fight right now? How's it looking? No, I'm not watching it. I've been busy all day. How is it so far? How did I lose? I mean, I like any other trader. I lost. Just like you. I lost trades. It was just a matter of not having enough experience, lack of knowledge. A lot of things played into that role. So, but yeah, I've been busy all day, literally, like, and I was like, you know what? Like, I was gonna take a break, but I was like, nah, let me go live, and then I'll go back to work. So this is kind of like my break right now, honestly. So, do you think binary options is gambling? Look, it can be anything in this trading stuff, guys, can be gambling. The lack of knowledge, it can turn into gambling either way, you know. Same with forex. Like, think of it as forex too. Like, most people in the forex market, you do gamble. Like, you don't do analysis. You're not really marking up your charts. You don't have a trading plan. You just put money in the account with a high leverage, and you over leverage the account trying to do a flip. Or you trying to like gain massive profit, and at the end of the day, that's gambling, pretty much. And you can do the same thing with binary options. You can gamble with that for sure, 100%. If you don't have the knowledge, you don't have a trading plan, you don't have numbers, to show consistent numbers that show that it's more profitable than losing. It's gambling. It's period. So you need to have the proper knowledge for that. Now, I don't really trade binary options, so I couldn't give you any knowledge on it, but I just know, like, you need to know the right things. You need to have a trading plan, all those things. So it can be the same with forex, trading metals, index, trading crypto. No trading plan, nothing like that. You're gambling, pretty much. Simple as that. Oh, it just started now? My first purchase when I started to make serious money, I wouldn't say I made it like a serious purchase. I'm not really like a flashy dude, so I didn't like buy nothing like crazy. I mean, I bought like a computer, so I can do my work for trading and stuff. I bought a setup, and most of my money goes towards training, and take care of family. Pretty much it. I think the one thing that I would say that I spent money on was buying a house, and then getting a car. That's about it. But I don't spend money. I'm not really into I'm not really big on clothes. I wear gym clothes all the time. I'm an athlete, so I'm not really into designer and stuff. I do like cars, but I don't see the point in buying 5, 10 cars. It doesn't make any sense to me. So yeah, nothing too crazy. I bought a house and a car. Essentials, pretty much. I bought essentials. So I'm not into jewelry that much. So not nothing crazy. They're in the ring now. Oh, cool. See, honestly, Miguel, I don't. That would be a lot to ask from me, cause I'm pretty sure. Trust me, I get hundreds. You don't understand. I get hundreds of people sending me their charts and stuff, and I can't look at every single person's charts. It's impossible. It's impossible for me to look at every single charts and give my opinion on it. Yeah, I'm gonna have more lives coming. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna have more lives coming for you guys. And like I said, I have a lot of videos coming. Sorry if I missed your question. I kind of I'm kind of jumping questions right now because people are chatting. So do you, trading as a sport? It could be. Yeah, you can make it competitive like a sport. Absolutely. So I'm mostly scalp, yes, but I've been transitioning to swing trading. So a lot of swing trading lately, honestly. But I still do scalp, of course. That's my number one thing. That's not gonna leave. But I've been doing more swing trading. A lot of swing trading actually. I just been it's been a lot easier for me. It's less time consuming. I don't have to be in front of the charts 24/7. So I've been doing that. Yep. But don't forget to like the stream though, y'all. But back to what I was saying though, with the trade setups. And guys, this is you guys know, like I was explaining before, the falling flat pattern, right? And what I was doing was just marking up those lows as possible reversal areas, right? So when we got the breakout, this is easy NTG stuff, right? So we got a false breakout area here. You guys know, if you guys haven't watched my false breakout video yet, I advise you guys to do that. So when we get the breakout, right, you guys know we get some sort of rejection and we have signs of reversals, right? Once we get that sign, that's when we usually get out of the trade, right? And we wait. We redraw our structure, stuff like that, and we wait for the actual break. So this was the actual break. And what we're doing is we're just waiting for some sort of a rejection off of the zones, right? And if the zones don't give us any sort of confirmation to get out the trade, that's where we can hold it. And that's also an effective way, you control stops. You can stay in your trade. I know a lot of you guys are struggling with that. I'm going to have a psychology video on that soon as far as staying in your trades, because you guys need to do that. Because if you don't, you're not going to make any profit. You hold your wins. I mean, you hold your losing trades and you let go of your winnings. So that's a bad trading habit already. And it's going to be hard for you to get profitable that way. You guys know, I'm from Montreal. I transitioned from, I'm all over the place, but I'm originally from Florida and Montreal. So right now I'm in Montreal right now. So, but I'll be back soon. I have a couple locations that I stay at, so I'm everywhere. Cause I travel a lot. I travel a lot for training and all that stuff like that. I go to other teams to train with them. So I'm all over the place. If anybody, I know it's COVID restrictions right now and stuff like that. We got curfews going on, all that good stuff. But anybody in the Montreal area, hit me up. Anybody in the live right now in the Montreal area, Let me know. So let me see. Someone. Yeah, exactly. He said 1 million in the bank account. I'm still poor. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to. If I miss your question, just type it again, cause I'm trying to get through this. As a trader, would you rather buy out a house or go into mortgage? Well, right now, I wouldn't. I wouldn't buy anything right now. But I'll pay for it. Honestly, also depends on like the house, how much. I would look at my numbers. Obviously, like I'm not gonna be like. When I pay for things, I look at it as like trading, like a percentage. Like right, like if I pay for this thing, how much of a percentage of my account, is going to be in a loss, or like it's gonna get taken out. So if that number is too high, that percentage is too high, I don't buy it. But if I can afford it and it's within my percentage range as far as paying for it, I'm like a small percentage amount of my account. Yeah, I'll just buy out a house. I mean, I've done that, so and I don't regret it because now I can sell my house for like almost double of what I paid it for. So that's profit. I'd recommend withdrawing regularly, right? Um, it depends on you, right? Because for me personally, withdrawing my money, and actually started this on my Discord, right? I have a withdrawal channel, and I want to encourage my members to withdraw their money because for me, it worked consistently, and it's just something different about when you make profit, you withdraw it, and then you see it in your bank account, right? You see it in there, and it makes you like it builds motivation. It makes you more confident in your trades. All these other things, right? Because you don't want to make profit and then you give that right back to the markets, right? You get that right back, and that's something like you don't want to do consistently. That's why I always tell my traders like take your money, like even if you make like $100 and you take out $20, like take it out. You know, we're not trying to compound an account. You're trying to just build confidence, withdraw regularly, and get that because sometimes trading will come down to the confidence. Because you guys miss out on a lot of setups just because like you're afraid to enter the trade. But once you see that withdrawals regularly and all those things, then you're gonna get more consistent. So that's gonna be a good thing for you. Now, as far as compounding, now if you have like you start to build confidence again and you know what you're doing, then I'll say yeah, compound an account because you know what you're doing. You have money. It doesn't matter. So you don't really need to withdraw regularly. But I withdraw regularly still. So I like to withdraw. If I'm gonna compound an account, it will be swing trading. But for scalping, I withdraw. I'm not risking because I already risked my account. I already risked a lot of percentage of my account just to do a flip. Like I wouldn't risk it again. Like I would just take the money. Like take it while you can. Like when you're at like when you win the jackpot or something, and you win a certain amount of money, it's like walk out because 10 times out of 10 you're gonna walk out with nothing if you continue to play. So take your money while you can. That's my advice for you. For anybody here. So can you explain? I mean, I can, but I do have a video on that on high lows, the indicator and everything. Did you see my structure video? It's like 5 videos before where I'm marking up higher highs and higher lows. It's a good video, like full breakdown, everything. So if you haven't seen it, then I would say watch that video. Rising flag on gold. Not that I was aware of. Probably. I just need to draw it out. I'm gonna do an analysis for you guys tomorrow, so don't worry about that. Like, I'm actually gonna do that video right after this, so we're gonna get into analysis. Don't worry. I mean, can I draw it out? Let me see. I don't like to force things too much. We'll see. We'll see how it comes out. We'll see how it comes out. We could draw this out though. But I want some more touches before I say anything about this pattern. Yeah. So we'll see. I'm gonna do more analysis on it today, and I'm gonna drop that video tomorrow, right before the markets open up. You got to use Fibonacci from the highs to the lows, right? So you can use your pivot point indicator. You guys know, from the highs to the lows. So you want to wait for that high, right? And you want to go to the recent low, which was here, right? You guys see that recent low? And this is where I was drawing out my retracement level. And this is how we got into this trade yesterday. It was yesterday, yeah. Yesterday, this is how we got into that trade. We had drawn out some support here, which was giving us like an ascending triangle. It was giving us like a nice ascending triangle. And we sold at the top for like a small pre-breakout. And then, you know, we had some good positions up here. Could have went really aggressive up there. And all you had to do was wait for the break. We already had our zones out, so we already knew exactly when we wanted to get out this trade, right? So, yeah, for an uptrend, if you want to go for a downtrend, you got to use your fibs from the highs to the lows. If you're in the uptrend, from the lows to the highs. Wait, hold on. I want to keep a running ball of about KOT, then withdraw when I make money on that. Do you think it's okay to leave that account amount in? Yeah, that's fine. That's nothing. Yeah, you can leave that in the account. Yeah, for sure. It's nothing. They're not going to take your money if that's what you're like afraid of or something. Yo, what's up, Diego? What's going on, my boy? Detaching your emotions. Oof, that's a hard one. Hey, what's going on, guys? We getting some people in the stream. Make sure you guys like up the stream for your boy. Yes, sir. Detaching emotions. That's a hard one. Cause there's no like strategy that I can give you that will work, because like emotions, and everybody goes through certain things, right? Because everyone's situation is different, and I believe situations is what causes our emotions. Like, some of us need to make money and a lot of things like that. You know, we want to get out of our job, and that's what causes the emotions in trading. So definitely, what I would say is risk very, very tiny. I think when you're not risking a lot, I think emotions is out the window. Me personally, when you risk a lot, say you are risking like 50% of your account, 40% of your account, 70% of your account, that's when the emotions definitely start to take over. So if you're like using emotions with money, then maybe you're just risking too much, right? Maybe that's like the foundation. That's the key thing there. If there's a lot of emotions in your trading, then you're just risking too much. And I would say lower your risk. Yeah, yep. We can do a live trade. Yeah, we can do a live trade one day. Yeah, we can definitely do a live trade one day. You guys know, like I said, I always say, I'm gonna do like just a random. It's gonna be super random, super random. I'm gonna just go live for the channel, and I'm gonna do a live trade, and that's that. I'm not gonna say a date or anything like that. I'm gonna just do it. So yeah, that's like an inverse. So if it breaks to the top, you have to trade the retest. That's what happened with US 30 actually, right? We had a rising flag and it broke to the top. And what we were waiting for was the retest, and that's what you need to do. You can trade at the top, right? But it's safer to wait for it to come back to the zone. We had two zones here, two predictions for here and here. This was a lot of a bit of an entry, and you want to buy there, and then boom. So hey, Violent, what's going on? All right. Like I said before, if I miss your question, just type it again because I lose track. When I'm talking and then I look back at the charts and there's like new chats. No, I don't trade binary options. I just stick to trading metals most of the time, like gold, index, and crypto. Yeah, for example, 200 account balance, and I put $1. It gets to my head. That's way too much. A standard on a $200 account is ridiculous. So you're definitely trading. You're definitely over risking. That's too much. The max you should be using is like a 0.02, especially as a new trader. What's going on, Marcus? Yeah, I got y'all. We got more videos coming soon, don't worry. So, what's going on? You doing okay? That's good. You know, I'm doing good. Just a lot of work. Busy. If you need anything, you already know, you can message me. Yeah, so this was a nice setup trade that we took here. Cut it right on the downside. Reverse there. So gold's not ready to drop yet. Just not yet. We will see what it does in the future. Ooh, a lot of chart work to do. A lot of chart work to do. That's cool. Yeah, like I said before, I don't have a number on how often it occurs, but it does happen, and that's why we wait. And that's why we wait for confirmation break, unless it's pre-breakout. That's a different story. But it can happen as often as it want. I don't have a number to tell you how often it occurs. Uh, I mean, I wasn't really telling my family I was trading, not until I became profitable. But I would say just keep trading. Like, it doesn't matter. Like your family might not see the potential in trading, obviously, because they probably think it's like gambling and stuff. But trust me, when you start making profit, they'll see it. They'll see it. So I would say, just keep doing it. It doesn't matter what people say about. If you see potential in it, then go. If it's your dream to trade full time, then stick to it. Don't let nobody kill your dream. Even family members. Sometimes family members will hold you back a lot. Uh, Believe it or not. So I would just ignore it. Trading psychology. What about it? There's a lot to talk about when it comes to trading psychology. The perfect time frame, there is none. There is no perfect time frame. Impossible. Confluence your trades. You gotta confluence your trade, guys. So analysis, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Mark up your charts, mark up zones, trend lines, and then that's when, if you want to scalp, that's when you go down to the lower time frames to scalp. So you want to use a combination of all the time frames. Don't just stick to one. I mean, money management, you guys know, 2% risk. Uh, 2% risk. Trading psychology. There's a lot. It's a lot I could talk about right now. I mean, I have a bunch of videos on it. I mean, if you want to go back to my channel and watch them all, you can. Uh, but if you give me something to talk about, then I will. But yeah, I got a lot of videos on trading psychology. I know most of people don't watch it, but if you haven't watched it, I suggest you do watch it. Cause trading psychology, it's a lot more important. Trust me. So I definitely would say go watch those videos. All comes down to the emotion with demo versus live, right? It all comes down to the emotions. You don't care about demos. You can trade demos however you want, and with demos, it's unrealistic. So like people put like 5K, 10K, 20K, 30K, 50K on a demo, and then when they go live, they only put $100. That's a whole different account that you don't know how to trade, or that you don't know how to grow. And then when you start seeing that red with the live account, emotions is different. You start doing irrational decisions because you're trading with your live money now. With the demo, you see red, I don't care. You're just chilling. You either let the trade run, close your phone, or you just close it, no problem. You're like, and then you just replenish the money. You can't do that with a live. You see red with a live account, you start to panic. Either you add positions and drawdown, you get out too early because you don't want your profits to get taken away. There's a lot of things with the emotions that come with live trading. I mean, technically, you do get a one-on-one with me with as far as like the streams, because I don't have a lot of members, so it won't be like 60, 100 people in the live. It'll only be like maybe two or three people in the live. But as far as like a one-on-one, No. So just be mindful when you're trading a demo. Like if you want to be as realistic as possible, tell yourself, okay, I don't I don't have $10,000, so realistically I can put 500 in the account. So trade $500 on a demo and see how you do. Just be as realistic as possible with demo. Now I'm not saying that's gonna be the key. Obviously, there's still emotions that you're gonna have to get through, but it's a better chance that you're successful doing that than putting in $100,000. And that's how these brokers set you up, right? That's how they set you up. There's some brokers that will set up a demo account for you automatically, and it'll be like $50,000, $100,000. That's how they set you up so good, because they know if you have a lot of money in that account, you're gonna see some blues, right? You're just gonna place random trades. You're gonna see blues, and then you're gonna be like, "Oh, trading's easy," and then you're gonna put your little $500 in there, and then you're gonna lose it. I feel like that's like a marketing scheme or something. It has to be. There's no way brokers set up an automatic account for a demo for $50,000. Like, how many people gonna have $50,000 trading on a live account? Come on now. They know what they're doing. They know how they're trapping you. The broker is trapping you just like that. So you can open up a live account as soon as possible, and you can start losing your money. It depends on the time frame and market conditions. I wouldn't say there's any best one. I mean, I've seen the 30 EMA work the best consistently, so I would say the 30. But market conditions is different. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, at the end of the day, like, the market could like spike like 50 pips, hit your stop loss, and then continue to the downside. Like, there's a lot of like scenarios that happens with it, but the 30 EMA is definitely something that works consistently. It's a good practice if you're gonna do a 50/100K. If you're gonna do a challenge, then yes, because with the challenge you will have 50 to 100K. So all that good stuff. Shout out to my people though. They've been passing the challenge like crazy. We got a lot of certified funded trading accountants now, so they looking good. Uh, I wouldn't say it's like that. Like, making two, nah, I wouldn't, cause you're gonna have losing trades. Like, you can't just make like 2K every week, every week, every week, every week. Like, you're gonna have losing trades. I lose trades, so it's your curve is not gonna be up all the time. Like, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go up. You know, like, you might make 2K one week, you might lose a K one week, you might make 4K one week. It all depends on the week, depends on the market. Sometimes the market goes 100 pips. Sometimes the market will crash and go like 400 pips. Sometimes you don't win a trade. Sometimes you will lose a big trade. So, but the matter of fact is consistency. But I would say that's pretty unrealistic. Like, don't have like $100,000 as like, oh, I'm gonna make $100,000 in a year type scenario. Nah, like, I think your first goal should be profit. Like, it shouldn't have a number. It should be, can I be be profitable by the end of the year? Then if you see the numbers like that, then you can talk about like how much you want to make for the year. If price comes up to a overbought after a break structure, do we wait for another break? And engulfing on the 1 minute? No. On the 1 minute, you shouldn't even be on the 1 minute time frame. I don't know what you're doing, but definitely don't be on the 1 minute. There's a lot of key things you should look for in market structure, as far as a lot of support, a lot of touches, a lot of candlestick confirmations to mark up that support or resistance. Any structure, levels, structure that acts as support and resistance. Yeah, it does, because I don't know. So, you can do, no, never mind, not Tradersway, because they don't do that anymore. Yeah, that's probably your best option, is to do NT4 demo. 4% monthly. That's a good number. That's a really good number. That's a big number right there, Tough. For order blocks. KLT will automatically create $100 account demo, but I don't want that demo to demo with that. Really? I'm pretty sure you can put how much you want. That's with like any broker. Tradersway, all that. You can set. Maybe you're not doing it right. Are you actually going on the actual website and doing it, or are you creating a demo account through MT4? When you create a demo account through MT4, that's when it automatically does $100,000. If you create a demo account through the actual website, like if you log in, go into the website and create an account, I'm pretty sure you can put how much you want to put on the demo. %? Yeah, that's a big number. That's a big number. A 4% gain. You said support resistance vomit. Yeah, do that and let me know what happens, Violet. I'm pretty sure if you log in on the website, you can do that. Yeah, exactly. Don't. Yep. That's good. Yeah, don't focus too much on that. $100,000. You guys are trying to hit big numbers. That's too much. A lot size. That would depend on skill level, and that would depend on the market as well. Like, are you trading gold? Are you trading forex? Because if you're trading US 30, the lot size is completely different than if you're trading gold. You said smart money, the best. No. It is. You will need a big size account, but like anything more than that, it's like flipping the account, right? And we all know flipping the account. So you can make more, obviously, but I'm saying that for new traders, because because you want to be consistent first. Like, a lot of you guys are not even consistent. Some of you guys are not even making 4% right now. Like, some of you guys are making -%. So that's why when I say 4%, that's why I say it's a lot. Because if you really think about it, most traders don't even make money. So it's like some of you guys are making 0%. That's why I say that's good. Like, some of you guys are too focused on a big number and you're not even making the small numbers yet. The VIP mentorship. Yeah, you have direct access to me on Telegram. If I like you, I keep you on Telegram where you can keep talking to me. You get the Monday through Thursday live sessions for 2 hours. We do live trading, sessions, live analysis. We do, like, you guys can ask me questions. It's a very small class, so you pretty much have direct access to me for that 2 hours to ask me questions. I teach you guys about market structure, everything combined. A lot of knowledge within that month. It's like 32 sessions for the month. So it's a lot. But I mean, I explain all that in the on my Patreon page. So woo. Somebody update me on the fight. What's going on with the fight? I'm actually about to, man, I do want to watch that fight. Let me get that video done for you guys for the analysis. Like I said, I got 4 videos coming out this week. Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot. Hold on, what's going on? Yes, I trade crypto with KLT. I made 4% in a few minutes of a breakout. A friend tells me I'm ambitious when I tell to trade companies instead. He trades crypto and makes $5 on a good day. Crypto, he must not be trading it through a MT4 account, cause when I trade crypto, that's a couple thousand. Crypto is probably one of my most profitable. I've seen my most profit trading crypto than anything. So especially with Bitcoin give me some big numbers. That's for sure. It definitely not no $5 on a good day. Especially that drop that just happened on crypto. Woo. Now, don't sleep on crypto. Crypto give you bank. That's for sure. Now, as far as that 4%, I don't know your trading. I don't know how consistently you withdraw your money, I guess, but that's all up to you. I don't know if you make the 4% and then you don't withdraw your money. Because remember, you're not really making money if you're not withdrawing. Like, you're not making gains if you're not withdrawing. It doesn't matter. Like, anybody can make profit in the market. Are you withdrawing that money, and are you actually using that money for things? You know what I'm saying? So, what's more important? All right, good risk to reward. I mean, that goes hand in hand. I don't think one is better than the other. Like, you need a good win rate. There's no risk to reward without a good win rate. And I feel like you don't have your risk to reward if you don't have you just need a complete trading strategy, like a complete trading plan, regardless. And then you need to have risk, reward, all that stuff. So it has to be complete. It's like I wouldn't take one over the other. I would take both. It has to be complete. Is what? You gotta rewrite that question. Drop some books. Go on Baby Pips. If you're a new trader, go on Baby Pips. You'll learn a lot on there. Yeah, I need to get up on the fights and everything. Let me get this video started. I'm going to drop the analysis tomorrow, guys. I'm going to drop analysis tomorrow. I got videos coming this week. So, and I'm going to be going live again for you guys again. We're going to be consistent with it. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys like up the stream before you leave. And I'm going to see you guys again soon. Don't worry. I'll be back. And I'll drop that video. I'm not going to tell you the videos I got for this week, but just know I got videos. So make sure you guys have post notification on when I drop. Okay, I'm going to be dropping them probably in the afternoon time, Eastern time. So I'm going to have those videos out. I'm going to do a mix of like trades and psychology, all that good stuff. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for that analysis video. And if you are watching this live now, drop some pairs in the comments so you guys can so I can look at it and then I can do it. All right, y'all. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, y'all. If I didn't get to your question, I'm sorry. Hold it, and I'm gonna get back to you next time. All right. But your boy got to go. Peace.